Hey, this is my challenge, speaking every single day on camera until the fluency in English. I'm English learner, and this is day number 98. So today I was planning as usually to start the TOEFL Speaking questions, but as far as I'm being in the village, yep, I've decided to go outside right now and take a walk around my backyard and talk about something there. So let's go outside. I wanna take this. Yo, this is a great weather, and being in the village, you can feel so relaxed actually. Check this cat. I don't know what kind of languages is he speaking, but I cannot understand him. White cat. My white cat. Yo. By the way, look at this. What we have here. Green apples. We can eat this, I guess. Let's try. I guess I'm not gonna get poisoned. No poison when you will throw up is later. But it's homemade. Ripe, kind of word. It's not ripe. All right. We have some kind of bower. It's called bower, and we can take a seat somewhere here. So this orchard. I used to read a book and about something, and I met the words orchard. So this in general, this area, like backyards and the trees in backyards, some kind of plants. This all called orchard. Man, can I interview you? Man. Cat. He's good. Cat. Mister, how are you doing? Like, I don't know what is this. I have no idea. Oh, and this is a bunch of logs to make a fire and make sauna. I'm already actually fed up with the TOEFL. Like, it is day 98 of speaking on camera. I feel like I'm pretty fluent right now. In comparison with the first day, this is like a way different person. Yep, in speaking English, particularly. Let's take a seat in this bench. Today we're gonna go to the city. Yeah, take a bus in my village here. Take a bus station. Go to the city. Meet friends. Spend the day with my friends. Go to his apartment, and then in the evening I will meet another friends, because I haven't been seeing them for several months, for 3 months maybe, because I study in Moscow and they live here. So yeah, but it's a little bit windy, as you can see, as far as you can notice. Story: yesterday in the evening, it was 10 o'clock in the evening. I went out of the house and around all places where I used to walk with my friends when I was a kid, but there was no one at all, and I didn't meet anyone. So this is strange, like time in our village when our generation, we all already grown, and so we all like have businesses, like someone works, someone is students, someone has left already this village, and no one. I didn't see new generation, and no one, like there was no such a mass of people when in the evening everyone we assemble together somewhere, we gathering in some place and having fun like till the middle of the night. There is nothing like this already. Towels. It is clip, by the way, it's called clip. I clip the towel and it's like drying, making dry. So table just like a working zone. It is garage full of my father's stuffs. I can open this, by the way. Like, just work in garage. I don't know, nothing fancy. A lot of nails, hammers. Yeah. My ski. Oh, this is my ski. I used to ski, and this is a rod for fishing. You see, how it is in English? I don't know. This thing to catch the fish, to catch the predator fish. Predator, right? And my bicycle. This one is mine. I used to ride the bicycle, by the way. By the way, I can ride it. Why not? But the tire is flat, and this one is this. By the way, I can ride it. Cats with me. Let's go. We will learn cat's language. Yeah, 100 days learning cat's language to have conversation with the cat. Right. Have a good day, just everyone. Day 98. We talked for a while. Blue sky, because your sky full of stars. I will see you tomorrow.